Our India is the most resourceful country in the world. Karnataka, being one of the states here, has innumerable rivers flowing around the green serene environment. This is the main reason behind so many tourists and nature lovers to come to the laps of green heaven, Sakleshpura in Hassan district. A part of the scenic beautiful region is Changadihalli. Being born in a family of farmers here, our collective dream is My Nature India. It was around 2003 when I came to Bangalore in search of a job. MVRS opened the doors to me and my dreams. The main idea of MVRS is to build a network program to have the winning edge for many corporate offices like banking sectors, education, political, automobile, e-commerce, advertisement, social media, pharma companies, etc. This company took me on contract and having confidence in me, sent me to work pan-Karnataka in all divisions, and I'm grateful to all who are concerned. With the help of Shankar Nag Fans Auto Association, all efficient youths irrespective of gender or caste, be it Hindu, Muslim, Christian or any other religion, joined together to form this company by the name TMRS. My Nature India was formed after a series of talks and discussions over the pros and cons, and by letting thousands of colleagues, neighbors and even other state workers on lease basis on companies which come under research on marketing. Since generations, we had not faced the problem of unemployment. This is the boon of 20th century, which is the root cause of many socio-political issues. The results of these issues were the foundation for wanted farmers. Farmers are the backbone of any country. Their necessity is as much important as those of their advisors and related sects like Brahmins, Archakas, blacksmiths, Vaishyas, sculptors, potters, weavers, cobblers and others have to fight against the monster plastics. After discussing with the related sects, we have a set of platform to promote their livings, and that is My Nature India. The native folk art forms like Dolu Kunita, Yakshagana, Bhangra, Garba, Ghumar, Bihu, Lavani, Ghumra, Pilikali, Karakattam, Veeranatyam and others are under the line of extinction. To ensure that these art forms are protected and passed on to the next generation is the main mission of My Nature India. The handicraft arts like sculpture, wooden toy crafts, artisans of jewellery, clothes embroidery, pottery, stone carvings, pro-nature products, metal artworks, paper products and many more such handicrafts are getting into extinction due to the pouring in of plastics everywhere. My Nature India is working day and night to make certain that these will remain for the future generations. For the first time in the world, we have created an online platform for all the manufacturers to sell their products to the customers without intervention of any agents. The manufacturers are eligible to quote their own rates on their products online, and they are open to communicate with the customers directly with complete transparency. With all these unique features, My Nature India is coming on board. For those who are concerned about the development of our country and inclination towards nature protection are welcome to take part and serve in this venture with open mind. We also greet any type of suggestion towards the development of our institution. Plastic-free India, jobs to all here, with complete empowerment to all in this resourceful nation is our mission and responsibility. Our travel is towards nature. Please join hands with us in this venture. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat Mata, Vande Mataram. MyNatureIndia.com, MyNatureIndia.in, MyNatureIndia.org. Coming soon.